In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to n8n. If you've been looking to streamline your processes by automating workflows between Stripe and other applications you use, you're in the right place. We'll take you through the steps to ensure you have a seamless connection between these two powerful platforms. Let's start by opening n8n. Once you've opened n8n, you'll want to head over to the Credentials section. This is where you'll store your connection information securely. The credentials allow n8n to communicate with Stripe without having to keep entering your details every time you make a connection. Next, click on Create Credential. This option allows you to add new credentials specifically for this connection. From the drop-down list, you'll select Stripe API. This ensures that you are using the right credentials set up for Stripe's secure API. Now it's time to paste your secret API key into the Secret Key field. You can find the secret API key in your Stripe account under API Settings. It's important to keep this key confidential since it grants access to your Stripe data. By pasting it here, you're allowing n8n to securely access your Stripe account to perform operations. After you've entered the key, go ahead and save the credential. This process saves the connection settings and ensures that everything is configured correctly for use. If there is an option to test the connection, click on Test to verify that n8n is successfully communicating with Stripe. If the test is successful, you can confidently proceed knowing that everything is set up correctly. With the credentials set up, it's time to move on to adding a Stripe node to your workflow. To do this, you'll need to create a new workflow in n8n. Workflows are like a series of steps or tasks that you want n8n to perform automatically. Within this new workflow, add the Stripe node. The Stripe node is specifically designed to perform tasks related to your Stripe account and operations like creating customers, processing payments, or handling refunds. Once the Stripe node is added, select the Stripe credential you just created. This step binds the node to the specific credential, ensuring that all actions taken via this node are executed under the authorization of your account. Now choose the resource and operation you want to perform. It offers a variety of resources and operations that align with Stripe's capabilities, so think about what action you need. Whether it's creating a new payment, retrieving customer data, or making a new subscription, select the right combination that fits your workflow. By following these steps, you've connected Stripe to n8n and can now create automated workflows. This integration can save you a lot of time and reduce the chance of human error in managing your Stripe transactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials that make automation easy.